Google didn't just leak the Pixel 10, it practically sent us an invitation to snoop. And this time, we're not talking blurry spy shots or sketchy renders. No, we've got the real deal. A full-blown official image of the entire Pixel 10 lineup accidentally dropped inside the Google Play Store app. You read that right, Google's own app gave away the surprise, and now the internet is buzzing. But here's the twist. Maybe it wasn't a mistake at all. Maybe Google wanted this leak to happen. Because what we're seeing looks like a strategic move to get people talking, and it's working. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you're into real-time tech leaks, secret reveals, and juicy behind-the-scenes stuff, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and share this video with a friend who still thinks pixels are boring. Let's break it all down. So, let's get this straight. Instead of keeping everything under wraps, Google went and flashed us a banner right inside its own app, showing off the entire Pixel 10 family. Not just one or two models, we're talking for the regular Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, the massive Pro XL, and yes, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. And honestly, the timing is suspiciously perfect. August 20 is coming up fast, and this leak conveniently drops just as hype is reaching boiling point. Coincidence? Doubt it. And what's the first thing everyone noticed? That new Moonstone finish on the Pro models. It's like if gray had a baby with a glacier. Clean, soft, kind of elegant, but not exactly bold. Meanwhile, the base Pixel 10 shows up rocking a deep indigo that actually turns heads. It's bold, it's rich, and it might be the most eye-catching color Google's dropped in years. Think Pixel 4's so orange energy, but cooler, literally. Now let's talk lineup. This year's strategy is loud and clear. Google wants to cover every base. Budget, friendly, Pixel 10. Power user, Pixel 10 Pro. Big screen lover, Proxel foldable enthusiast. Pixel 10 Pro Fold, it's a fork-pronged attack designed to challenge Apple and Samsung on every front. And with that 50 early bird discount revealed in the same banner, it's also clear Google wants to win over the fence sitters before the iPhone 17 or Galaxy S25 even show up. Here's what's interesting, this isn't the first time Google spoiled its own party. In fact, they've made it kind of a tradition. From early teasers on billboards to official store, foops. Moments, it almost feels like they're using leaks as marketing fuel. Why fight the leak machine when you can be the leak machine? At this point, it's not just strategy, it's branding. And we haven't even gotten to the hardware changes yet. There's a big shift happening under the hood. The new Tensor G5 chip, Google's first fully in-house design, is expected to improve efficiency, heat management, and maybe even battery life. This chip could finally close the gap between Pixels and flagship iPhones in real-world performance. Oh, and bonus, it might bring a new image signal processor that boosts low-light photos and reduces video noise without relying on cloud magic. That's huge. Even the smallest details are changing. The SEM tray? Moved side rails. Polished again. Rear camera bezel. Slimmer, the design may look familiar, but the refinement game is strong. And here's the kicker for the first time ever. Even the base Pixel 10 is getting a triple camera setup with a telephoto lens. That used to be Pro-only territory. Now it's going mainstream. Game changer. But there's more. The leak hints at new accessories too, Pixel Watch 4, maybe new Pixel Buds, and a fresh wireless charger. And even though Google's keeping most of that hush-hush, you can bet we'll see them on stage at the August 20 event. This could be the most packed, made by Google, keynote in years. Now let's zoom out. This isn't just a product launch, it's a showdown. Apple, Samsung, OnePlus. Google's stepping into the ring with 4 new phones, an updated chip, exclusive software features, and a teaser campaign that's got everyone talking. If you're thinking about upgrading, hold tight. Waiting just a few more weeks could seriously pay off. Whether you go for the flashy Fold or the unexpectedly powerful base model, you'll at least know your options, and your wallet might thank you. But here's what I love most. Google's not pretending this is a radical design shift. They're not hyping bezels or calling a recycled frame revolutionary. They're just refining the formula and betting big on the stuff that actually matters: cameras, AI, battery, and pricing. And honestly, that's refreshing. So now I'm curious, what are you waiting for? The foldable? That sweet indigo finish? Or maybe you're holding out for the camera upgrades? Let me know in the comments. This is shaping up to be the most interesting Pixel launch yet. We've got early leaks, surprise discounts, secret accessories, and possibly the most refined base model Google's ever made. And remember, all of this is just the beginning. We'll be diving deeper into hands-on impressions, software features, and more as we get closer to launch. Appreciate you watching all the way through. Don't forget to sub, and hit that bell so you don't miss what comes next. August 20th is right around the corner, and trust me, you'll want to be ready when Google finally goes all in.